Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth. If you're new, welcome. Today I pulled out a quilt top that is made with a lot of beautiful quilt block orphans, I call them, and the colors kind of blend together. And today I'm going to focus on one of these blocks, and in a future video I'm hoping to turn this quilt top into a quillo, which is like a quilt with a pillow case attached. That cute little kitten block in the quilt I'm going to describe right now using some very simple shapes. It takes very few shapes to make this really cute block. The larger rectangle on the right, that blue rectangle, is 3.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and the smaller rectangle is 2.5 inches by 6.5 inches. This background rectangle is 2.5 inches by 5.5 inches. One more small rectangle, 1.5 by 3.5, and two small squares that are 1.5 inches each. The first block I'm going to make is a kitten that is going to be sort of a mirror shape of the yellow kitten, and I need to arrange that background rectangle going to the right on this one, and then I'm going to fold it up at an angle there and make sure that I have that diagonal line correct before I draw a pencil line, and then I'll be putting a seam right there on that pencil line. I made sure that I have the right dimensions and the right alignment there, and now I'm going to make the two ears by just sewing from corner to corner on both of these little squares. After sewing and trimming, I pressed both of these little pieces, and after I press, I'll trim away the excess behind that larger piece, and then I can put my block together. The quilt block consists of these two kittens that are mirror images of each other. So I wanted to show you that to do the left side yellow cat, it's the same block, but I'm putting those narrower strips on the right and just making sure that I fold that background piece the right direction and add the seam the right direction, and I'll sew across that pencil line and put this block together the same way, just on the opposite side. This kitten block with the two cats here is not quite square. It's 9.5 inches tall and 10.5 inches wide. So if you did want to make it square, you just add a strip to the bottom. And here, when it was added to this orphan block quilt, a strip was added to the left so that it would fit in. And a lot of these blocks in this quilt are the same, but there were a few that were the wrong size, so strips have been added here and there to get this quilt top all together. I hope to share soon how I'm going to turn this orphan block quilt into a quillo or a quilt with a pillow attached. And I hope that happens soon, but in the meantime, I thought I'd share this really cute cat block with you. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.